Hello everyone, this is Veronica, Buzzing with V. Welcome to another video. Well, today's video is what's in my Crafty suitcase, and I've already went over this suitcase, so I will link the video in the description below, and we are going to move very fast, so let's get right into it. So I'm going to open this, and there is what's inside, and first thing you see, well, what I see is really this little doll is just, your eye just goes right to that doll, and this doll is just the cutest little doll I've ever seen, and it reminded me of my swapping partner. This was a cute, it just matches her hair, and thought she would enjoy that. So I picked this up from Cat Paper Love on Instagram, and you guys can purchase one of these or maybe a different one. I'm not sure if she does do replicas, but yeah, she had this up on her IG, and that's where I picked it up, so I will link her below. And then I have this rosette right here that I made with the Say Cheese by Simple Stories collection to match the box. I have a card right here that I made as well, circular card with BB Craft dies, and then I included what I wanted her to know about the swap. And then right here is another rosette here with the same collection. I love the little pom-poms that I added. They're just peeking through, you could barely see them. And then a bag topper with the sugar skull. I made the sugar skull into a witch. And so there is a dot right there, there's another dot right there, some flowers. Everything's very hidden and layered. And here's another bag topper. I used the doilies from Amazon. I will link them below. So there's that bag topper. And the last thing I included is this memory dex made with the same collection. And just put my information in the back. And there it is. I think it came out pretty neato. And so that is what is in my Crafty suitcase, and hopefully you guys enjoyed that. And stay tuned for the packaging of all of this, and you can see what I've included in our swap. And so I really love this doll. I hope she likes it too. It's such a cute little doll. I love her hair. I love her PJs, and they're not fuzzy cat pajamas, but they are pumpkin pajamas. Well, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that. And remember, you guys, to be happy. Bye.